So, today, we have a new member. Green. And Red is not here because... Oh my God! We have a new member. Green. And today we're playing Jump. So, I'm the one at the top because I like to, and no one will make another decision. So, here's my bed. Hello. So, that's Pink speaking. And Green doesn't know how to speak English yet because he's just 5 years old. And we only accept 5 years old above. If you want to join, don't pick any color that is used now. So, get your own color if you want to join. So, I'm speaking Bisaya and English because some of my cousins and siblings doesn't know how to speak. Yeah, I'm not intimidated. Please like and share the video. So Green is here. So we have already 4 members. I'm blue and pink and green, and then pink is the only one missing. Pink, red because she's not here. So we're just the only 3. Ayun, hindi ko makikita. Niga, nunggoy niga, tuloy sa'yo. Is this Korea? Kumaya. Yeah, the song is Korean. Oh my God, bitch. Yeah. Bitch, you are so bayot. Winner! Wala na winner. We're gonna play. Nugoy miga, buri kahat kang dako. Kumaya, ridurara. Kumaya, kumaya, ridurara. Kumaya, kumaya, ridurara. Kumaya, kumaya, ridurara. Kumaya, kumaya, miga, nugoy miga. So I'm finished. Look, there is my... There is green. Where is blue? Umaya, So we're playing next is escape the running head later. So pink and green is here na. So literally I'm a boy and pink is a girl, green is a boy, and red is a boy too. That's at the end of the video. Bye from Blue. Bye from Pink. Bye. Bye from Green. So that's all. Bye bye.